Hey you guys, it's Hallie Anne. I am back. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been ages and ages and ages and ages and ages and ages. This past month has just been absolutely crazy. My best friend got married, I was the maid of honor, and then I was actually sick during that whole entire time, but I did not tell her that. Then right now, as you guys know, as you guys may or may not know, depending on how long you've been here and how many videos you've watched of mine, I manage an accounting firm. It is tax season and it is a nightmare. I literally feel like I live in a black hole at the office right now. I really hope you guys understand, but I promise once tax season is over, which is April 17th, have you guys done your taxes? I did mine. I finally did mine. But anyways, once tax season is over, I will be able to like live a normal life again and get back to how things are normally supposed to be, aka my normal uploading schedule. So I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. In today's video, we are just gonna be doing a get ready with me. I have a game today. I just did a natural glam kind of look. These are my kind of looks. If you guys aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button, that's down below. And if you're curious to see how I achieved this makeup look that's on my face, then go ahead and just keep watching. Like I said, I am so sorry I've been MIA for a month, but it has been so crazy. I've already moisturized, but I'm gonna put the Farsali Unicorn Essence on my face like all those Instagram toots do. I know some people think this stuff is bad for you, but I really don't care. It smells nice and it's very hydrating. I'm just gonna do my face first because I've been leaning more toward a very natural glam rather than like super heavy on my eyes. So I'm just sticking with doing my foundation first because when I do my eyes first sometimes, it freaks me out and all my makeup goes very downhill. So the combination of foundations that I've really been liking is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I really like, that you guys know, and the L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible. Just for reference, I'm mixing in the Maybelline Superstay foundation 128 Warm Nude, and the L'Oreal Infallible is 205 Natural Beige. Pretty sure that's gonna be too dark for me. I can add a lighter shade of Pro Glow too. Oh shoot, I forgot to put, I feel like I just am flying by the seat of my pants like every single day of my life. I need to add my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer base into like my smile lines and a little bit of my pore area. I don't even mind having smile lines because like whatever, but only reason why I don't like them is because foundation settles into them so bad. I'm gonna try something that I see like all the cool people doing lately. Putting powder before your foundation, that like really freaks me out even just saying that, but I'm gonna try to do it in my T-zone to see if it helps me from getting too oily, and just like put it here, I guess. All right, we're gonna hope for the best on that one and go in with foundation now. Okay, so now we are gonna conceal, and I have just been loving using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Neutralizer. I just really enjoy how yellow toned this concealer is. And believe it or not, you guys, believe it or not, I have been into a much less highlighted under eye. And I know like me putting this on, you're like, what are you talking about? But this shade is not as stark as it kind of looks right now, like at least what I'm looking at in the viewfinder. It's really not. I have not been using my super light Tarte Shape Tape, or if I do, I mix it with a very skin tone shade concealer. Like this Maybelline Fit Me concealer that's in 20 is more kind of like skin tone like for me. So I'm just gonna pat that in. Now I'm going to powder a little bit. Wow, I'm getting like really warm. Whew. I'm gonna powder a little bit using my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. Just dump some in the top lid here. And I'm gonna use it with my damp sponge, just put some on there. And I'm using the damp beauty blender because I feel like this gives me the least cakey effect, especially if you have if you're like on the drier side of skin, kind of like I am. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Powder Contour Kit. You guys already know know. And I use this middle shade, and I even sometimes mix it in with this one too. Okay, so for my contour, I've been kind of doing something a little bit different, and I'll just show you. I mean, not really that different, but I'll go in normal like this, just like on the very highest part of the contour, just to bring my cheekbones up higher, and then slowly follow that line down to just kind of really hollow out my face. I know that looks really aggressive on the camera, but it's really not. And once everything is blended, I promise it'll look good. And then I just kind of blend everything with bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with my, I keep trying to make this work for me, the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, Tantric Omega Bronzer. Just because it's effing expensive, I just need to use it. Now I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild's Color Icon blush in Apricot in the middle. I love this blush, this is not new. I'm just doing very basic eyeshadow, you guys, because that's just what I've been doing, to be completely honest. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna start by going in with this transition shade right here at the very top. I have to tell you guys, I haven't really talked a lot about these brushes yet because I've still been just kind of like trying them out, but step aside Morphe, I have moved on to the Makeup Shack brushes. These are super nice and very affordable, like same exact as Morphe. This first brush that I'm using, it's T68. It's just kind of like a fluffy, I just spit, that's gross. It's a fluffy blending brush, so let's do that. And I'm just kind of focusing on the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm gonna take another Makeup Shack brush. This one is more of a tapered crease brush a little bit. This is a T50. I'm taking this shade right here, right underneath the first one that I used, and still putting it right here in that outer corner, and even bringing it toward the bottom and connecting it all. And that's basically all I do for the eyeshadow, except I go in, like when it's on a game day, when I'm getting a little more jazzy with my eyeshadow, I go in with this shade right here on the very end. It's kind of like a deeper bronzy gold color, and I put a little bit on my finger and tap it over like the corner, almost all the way to the very middle of my eyelid. On the inner corner, I'm going in with my tried and true Stila Magnificent Metals and Kitten Karma, and I'm just adding this a little bit like right here, and taking my finger and tapping it out and blending it into that gold shade. That's a little wow factor. So once I've done that, I've been going back and forth with adding a little wing and not adding a little wing, but for today's sake, I am gonna add a little wing. I forgot that I really do like this a lot. This is my Bobbi Brown Golden Bronze Sparkle Long Wear Liquid Liner. It's a really nice liquid liner. It is a really fine tip, pointy felt tip, but what I love about it is that it's not as harsh as black, but from a first glance, you would think it was black. So that's what I love about it. I feel like a cool kid because those are probably the best set of wings that I've done in a very long time. As you can see, I just kind of focused that wing on the outer part of my eye, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to elongate my eye. I normally wouldn't come back on here to show you mascara and lashes, but I think it's important because if you have little tiny beady eyes like I do, I like had a revelation the other day. What I want to do when I put my mascara on is I want to make sure that this inner part of lashes is pretty well coated, because there's gonna be no lashes right there, and I will explain to you why. What I've been doing is I have been cutting basically half lashes, and it has been just life-changing for my eyes. It complements my eye shape so much better because I struggle with trying to get the lash band to stick down really like all the way across my eye, and it really makes my eyes look so much smaller when I have all of that false lash and band so close in that inner corner, because I already have like a non-existent eyelid. I have very limited space that I'm dealing with. These are the Cocoa lashes in the style Carrie. I will put a picture like right here if I can find one just to show you. So basically all I'm saying is cut yourself a half lash and just pop them on there. It's so much easier. So let me do that really quick and I'll be right back. I also put on eyebrows because it was trying times without them. As you can see, it really just places all of the emphasis on the outside of my eye so that the inner corner is still very nice and bright and open. I think it just complements my eye shape so much better, and it kind of gives you like a sultry hot girl vibe. Whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more underneath on my lower lash line with this was just that pointed crease brush. Just any of these darker colors, I don't know. Like, I'm so good at eyeshadow. I'm probably just gonna take this one right here that I was using underneath here. And that is really my whole entire eye look. I really, really like this look. I really like the look. So to move on to lips really quickly, I found a new lip liner that I'm really liking, that's really good and super cheap. It's by Catrice, and this is in the shade 040, I Take You to the Chocolate Shop. Catrice Cosmetics Lip Foundation Pencil. It says that it is smudge proof and waterproof. I really do think it is smudge proof because once this baby is on, it's like, I don't know, it's very good for a very affordable price. And this is a nice deeper nude shade right here. Oh, we did not even do highlight, you guys. The two highlights that I've been going back to lately that I forgot how much I love are from the Jaclyn Hill by Becca Champagne collection. This is that face palette. I'd mix both Prosecco Pop and Champagne Pop. I'm just going to add a little bit more setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Last. This is the makeup that I've been into lately, and that is that. I need to do my hair and add a lip gloss. Okay, I finished up my hair. I put a gloss on because my lips are chapped AF. I love this look. It's very natural but very glam at the same time. I don't think it's anything too over the top, especially for my little tiny eyes. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed just this little natural glam get ready with me. I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.